Today I am going to tell you some problems based on evaporation. You know, evaporation causes cooling and rate of evaporation is affected by many factors. What I have told you in my next lecture, that is previous lecture. Uh, Today I am going to tell you the some problems based on evaporation. Take these questions. I want to give you these questions first. See these questions here. Now, see them. Question number 1: Why does a desert cooler cool better on a hot dry day? Question 1: Why does a desert cooler cool better on a hot dry day? On a hot dry day, the air is comparatively hotter, right? So when this hot air passes from the cooler, what happens? Water which circulate in the cooler or desert cooler takes heat energy from the hot air and undergo evaporation. That is, because of increasing temperature, rate of evaporation will be more. Therefore, rate of cooling will be more. In this way, it can be said that during hot dry day or on a hot dry day, a cooler or desert coolers cool better, right? Here in this process, what happens? Water takes energy from hot air, that heat energy from hot air. In this way, temperature of air decreases, that is, air gets cooled. So the cooled air mixed with water vapor, when it is thrown from the cooler, we feel a lot of fragrance, that is, we soothe a lot of pleasure during summer season. And now see question number 2. How does the water kept in an earthen pot, that is matka, become cool during summer? Question number 2. My dear students, you know, earthen pot has minute pores, many pores, and when water is filled in it, what happens? Some of the water continuously comes on the outer surface of the earthen pot, that is, outer surface of earthen pot becomes wet. So now the water from the outer surface of the earthen pot takes heat energy from the surrounding, that is, from the water present in earthen pot. Then when the water takes energy from the earthen pot, what happens? Temperature of water kept in earthen pot becomes, that is, temperature of water kept in earthen pot decreases, thus water becomes cool. In this way, water kept in earthen pot during summer season becomes cool, right? Now see the third question. Why does our palm feel cold when we put some acetone or petrol or perfume on it? Question number 3. When acetone, petrol or perfume is put on our palm, they get heat energy from our palm to under, that is, they get heat energy from our palm to change into gaseous state or vapor state, and here the rate of evaporation is directly proportional to the rate of cooling. They undergo evaporation faster, so they will cause more cooling. That is why our palm feel cold when we put some acetone or petrol or perfume on it. Question number 4. Why are we able to sip hot tea or milk faster from a saucer than a cup? You know, rate of evaporation is directly proportional, rate of evaporation is directly proportional to surface area of water. When water, that is when hot tea or hot milk is kept in a saucer, the surface area of water will be more, or that is, this water requires more surface area than when it is kept in a cup. So in a saucer, that is when hot tea or milk is kept in a saucer, there is more surface area, so there will be more and more evaporation, or rate of evaporation will be faster in case of a saucer when hot tea or milk is kept in it. But when it is kept in the milk, the rate of cooling will be slow. Therefore, it is why we able to sip hot tea or milk faster from a saucer than rather than a cup. Right? Question number 5. What type of cloth should we wear in summer? In summer season, light colored cloth should be worn. That is, we should wear light colored cloth, especially white colored cloth, as well as white colored and cotton cloth are better in summer season. Answer, that is, its explanation is very simple. Light colored, especially white colored cloth, are bad absorber of solar radiation. That is, they are good reflector of radiation. Means a light colored cloth, especially white colored cloth, does not absorb more radiation, more solar energy than that of a dark colored cloth. Second thing, cotton cloth absorb more and more sweat, that is here more and more sweat than that of a nylon or polyester or other, that is synthetic cloth. So what happens? Cotton cloth absorbs more sweat, as well as here white colored cloth absorb lesser amount of radiation. Third point here, that is cotton cloth expose the surface area of water more and more. In this way, as a result, the rate of evaporation will be faster. So the cooling will be faster. That is why we should wear cotton cloth and white colored cloth. That is white colored cotton cloth. Right? So actually these questions are just based on the evaporation, process of evaporation. One thing more here, why do we see water droplet on the outer surface of a glass containing ice cold water? You know, when we take ice cold water in a container, after some time we see water droplets on the outer surface of the container, because here ice take heat energy from surrounding to change into liquid water. Then what happens? Here temperature of water or surrounding decreases. Because of decreasing the temperature of surrounding, water vapor present in air undergo condensation, and therefore they appear in the form of small water droplets on the outer surface of the container. Right? Now take some questions for homework. Question number 1. Change the following into Celsius scale. Zero Kelvin, 373 Kelvin. Question number 2. What produce more fever burn? What produce more fever burns out of boiling water and hot water vapor? Question 3. Write physical state of water at first A 0 degrees Celsius, B 25 degrees Celsius, C 100 degrees Celsius. Question 4. Why is ice at 273 Kelvin more effective in cooling than water at the same temperature? Water at the same temperature. Thank you very much.